Hello, it's me, Giggins. Today I give 10 wine tips for ultimate hipsters. In post-Soviet Republic, we are all more or less hipster, because at the time when mainstream fashion reaches, it's no longer mainstream in the rest of the world. 1. Drink mostly red wine at summer and white wine at winter, because fuck convenience. 2. Serve ice-cold red wine and preheat white wine, because tasty wine is too mainstream. 3. Both coffee and wine are very mainstream, so you mix them both up 50-50 and you got your unique ultimate hipster wake-up drink. 4. Serve your most expensive wine in shot glasses, because it's all about being different anyway. 5. Drink Chardonnay. While it's the most common white wine in the world, all the other hipsters will try to drink something unique, and you will be the one and only hipster drinking Chardonnay, making you the least mainstream. 6. Drink your bottle of wine as soon as you wake up, because being sober at work or working at all is super mainstream. 7. Never buy sparkling wine again. Buy white wine and mix it with any soda nobody likes. Everybody will see that you are very keen, smart, and definitely not mainstream. 8. Instead of mainstream food and wine pairing, spill your wine all over the food you serve. Your guests will worship your hipster dinners. 9. When somebody says, "Wine is for pussies," you immediately start a fight with this person and lose, because winning is too mainstream for you. 10. Last but not least, serve the cheapest piece of shit wine you can find at special occasions, and the most expensive wine at casual occasions. Do this until you run out of cash and become a bum. You have reached your goal. You have become the ultimate hipster. Cheers! Thanks for watching. Don't be so mainstream. Subscribe. Bye bye.